We have gained an overview of balancing generation and demand using instantaneous reserves and looked at types of risk, so we will now look at how RMT was developed. Before 1992, everything was done manually using spreadsheets. In general, there were few issues with reserves as there was no market and the power system was carefully controlled. In 1992, the Real-Time Frequency Calculator, or RTF Calc, was introduced. It used Fortran software to capture the dynamics of the power system. It was a good effort for that time, but was technically limited, with lumped models for different generator technologies, so individual generators could not be represented. In 1995, the government announced significant reform of the electricity industry, including a framework for buying and selling electricity through a wholesale pool. A key driver was to supply New Zealand with the appropriate quantity of power at minimum cost. In 1996, the government officially introduced the wholesale electricity market. There were some changes to RTF Calc to accommodate the new market environment. RMT was introduced in 2001 and remains the reserve management tool we currently use. It gives a more comprehensive and accurate model of generator and HVDC response matched to actual system events. It offers more flexibility when adding generators, changing frequency standards, responding to new regulations, and setting governor levels. At the time, it used MATLAB Simulink software. In 2014, the simulation engine was upgraded to run on a Transient Security Assessment Tool platform, or TSAT. TSAT is developed by PowerTech. In 2016, the National Market for Instantaneous Reserves, or NMIR, was introduced. NMIR uses the HVDC link to share reserve between islands.